Top peaks in the world. The first of these peaks was Mount Everest, located in the heart of the Himalayas. It towered over all the other mountains, reaching an astonishing 8,848 meters into the sky. Many brave mountaineers had attempted to climb Everest, but few had succeeded in reaching its summit. Next on the list was K2, also known as the Savage Mountain. It was located on the border between Pakistan and China and was the second highest peak in the world at 8,611 meters. Climbing K2 was considered one of the most difficult challenges in mountaineering, and many had lost their lives attempting to reach its peak. The third highest peak in the world was Kanchenjunga, located on the border between Nepal and India. It stood at 8,586 meters and was revered by the local people as a sacred site. Climbing Kanchenjunga was considered one of the most challenging feats in mountaineering due to its treacherous terrain. The fourth highest peak in the world was Lhotse, which stood at 8,516 meters. It was located on the border between Nepal and China, and its summit was one of the most remote and inhospitable places on Earth. Climbing Lhotse was considered one of the most dangerous feats in mountaineering due to its unpredictable weather conditions and treacherous slopes. Maklu, the fifth highest peak in the world, was also located on the border between Nepal and China. It stood at 8,485 meters and was considered one of the most difficult peaks to climb due to its steep and unstable terrain. The sixth highest peak in the world was Cho Oyu, located on the border between Nepal and China. It stood at 8,188 meters and was a popular destination for mountaineers looking for a less challenging climb than Everest. Dhaulagiri was the seventh highest peak in the world, located in Nepal. It stood at 8,167 meters and was known for its treacherous ice falls and steep ridges. Manaslu was the eighth highest peak in the world, located in Nepal. It stood at 8,163 meters and was considered one of the most beautiful mountains in the world, with its snow-covered peaks and dramatic valleys. Nanga Parbat was the ninth highest peak in the world, located in Pakistan. It stood at 8,126 meters and was known for its rugged and remote terrain. Many mountaineers had attempted to climb Nanga Parbat, but few had succeeded in reaching its summit. The 10th and final peak on the list was Annapurna, located in Nepal. It stood at 8,091 meters and was known for its dramatic cliffs and steep ridges. Climbing Annapurna was considered one of the most challenging feats in mountaineering due to its unpredictable weather conditions and treacherous terrain.